Tolly Anderson with Business Matters. We're outside at the Point here in El Segundo. We love featuring new businesses in the community. Here's a new one behind us, Pause Studios. So let's take a pause and check it out. Joined with Jeff Ono, co-founder of Pause Studio in El Segundo. We're here at the Point. First studio here has opened up. What is Pause?
What we're doing at Pause is we're redefining what a spa should be, given the crazy way that we live today. Like if we think about it, our stress levels are higher than ever. Our anxiety levels are higher than ever. Our lack of quality sleep is becoming a near epidemic. So what we've done at Pause is we've searched high and low to find the very best science-backed modalities that allow the body to really harness our natural ability to heal itself. So everything that we have here can be stacked to address things like stress, anxiety, immunity, sleep, physical recovery. We also touch on anti-aging as well, which we all like. So there's nowhere out there that has our mix of services. So this is a one-stop wellness destination for the crazy way that we live today.
Hit pause and hear what this health and wellness studio offers to enrich the mind, body, and soul.
Okay, this is our most popular modality. It's called contrast therapy. And so we have an infrared sauna, and then we have a self-cleaning cold plunge. And this, we literally can't keep people out of these rooms. With the infrared sauna, the infrared technology heats you from the inside. So basically, you are able to reach a very, very deep level of sweat detoxification. One of the primary benefits of infrared sauna, and one of the reasons why it's so popular right now, is when in an infrared sauna, your core body temperature rises and the body's kind of fooled into thinking that you're getting sick. You know, a fever is good. And what happens in here is that the fever, the faux fever, triggers the production of white blood cells. So certainly during COVID, people were coming into the infrared sauna every day because it was stimulating the production of white blood cells. You also sweat a ton. It's great for heart health. You can lose weight. It's great for skin health, collagen production, all that good stuff. And in the cold plunge, this is basically exercise for every cell in your body. When you're in the heat, it's what's called vasodilation, which is everything opens up. When you jump into the cold, it's called vasoconstriction, so everything closes up. So when you go back and forth, and this is the only place in Los Angeles where you have your own private contrast therapy room, you're basically exercising every cell in your body. It's like a pump. It's like a lifting a weight. And basically you're pumping fresh oxygen, fresh nutrients, all throughout the body. So it bumps immunity, it bumps physical recovery, it helps brain fog. When you do a contrast therapy session and you get out, you feel like you can run through a wall. It's incredible. With our contrast therapy rooms, you can see it's quite large. So one of the things that's very popular is date nights at Pause. So we'll have couples come in here. It's private again, and they sit in here, and it's their room for an hour. And they can enjoy encouraging each other, going back and forth. There's girls' nights out. So this becomes a very social component. And every room in Pause has its own shower. So we provide Le Labo shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. We provide linens, and we use Parachute linens. So everything here is very high touch. And this is cryotherapy. So cryotherapy is a pretty popular modality made famous by athletes. Athletes have been using cryotherapy for recovery for years. LeBron James, etc., very, very popular. And in cryotherapy, you basically step in and you expose your body to extreme cold. In this machine, we can get the temperature down to negative 180 degrees. It's pretty cold. And you're in there for 3 minutes. And what happens there is the body basically thinks that it's in danger. And so what happens when the body thinks it's in danger is all of your blood is brought back into the core to protect and to kind of make sure your internal organs are processing. What happens when the blood is in your core is it becomes super oxygenated and filled with fresh nutrients. The body literally thinks that it's fighting to survive. After 3 minutes, or however long you want to stay in there, with at max 3 minutes, when you get out, the blood rushes back out to your extremities. So basically, you're fueling your blood with fresh oxygen and fresh nutrients. Great for physical recovery, pain management, inflammation. It's great for mood. Skip your cup of coffee in the morning and come to pause and jump into the cryotherapy machine. Let's go.
Gosh.
She's getting prepped.
You guys. All right. Just tell me when. Just
Okay.
give me the word.
Okay.
I can't even see. Oh my gosh. All right.
All right.
You sold me.
Yeah?
You sold me. I wasn't sure, but you sold me.
It feels so good. You feel so refreshed. Brain fog, gone. You know, great way to start the day. So here we are in one of our float rooms. So this is the float tank, a float orb to be exact. And floating it's AKA sensory deprivation. And basically what happens is you lay in this water and you float effortlessly. There's 1,200 pounds of magnesium sulfate in this. So that increases circulation, it balances your hormones. If you're sore after a workout, spend an hour in here, you pop out, you're not sore anymore. So floating is being aggressively adopted by, actually I think every single NFL team now floats. The US military and the Navy SEALs float. We actually put a float tank in Dodger Stadium a couple of years ago. They won the World Series that year, the first time in 25 years. Probably had something to do with our float tank. And basically, you lay in this water effortlessly, and then you have the ability to shut off sight and sound. So with those buttons, you can shut off sound, and you can shut off the light. When that happens, there's nothing, you can't see anything. It's the darkest dark you could ever experience. So your eyes have nothing to focus on. Your ears have nothing to focus on. There's no sensation of touch because you're floating effortlessly in the water. So the mind has nothing to do. So the mind looks for different things to process. After a period of time, the mind realizes there's nothing for me to do, and the mind shuts off. When the mind shuts off, that's when the magic happens. You drop into what's called the theta state. And in the theta state, the stress hormone cortisol stops being produced. You have massive creative potential. There's massive physical recovery. And even some sports psychologists will have athletes like Steph Curry float and pipe in mental visualization techniques because he can take that outside of the tank. So there's mental, there's physical, this helps you sleep. It checks off virtually every box we need right now in terms of self-care wellness.
Recovery for the mind and body. Marketing and Partnerships Manager Natalie Boyle shares her favorite services.
So we are sitting in front of our IV drip lounge area. So here at Pause, we offer a whole suite of IV drips. They were all formulated by our naturopathic medical doctor, Dr. Charles Tabone, and they're all formulated for specific benefits. So whether you're coming off a crazy weekend and maybe drank a little bit too much, or you're looking to improve, your sleep patterns, they're all highly formulated and customized to your specific needs. So we have 6 different recipes from there. They're customizable. We have NAD as well, which is one of our best anti-aging products. So there's a whole suite that we offer here. And the unique thing about IV drips is it's the most bioavailable way for your body to take on vitamins and nutrients. So even if you have a super healthy diet, high in fibers and all these minerals, you could still use more, and the best way to achieve that is through an IV drip directly to your bloodstream. And they're all administered by our nurses here on site in this relaxing spa-like environment rather than a typical medical office.
How long would this service take or last?
It's pretty quick. It's only about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, and the benefits can last weeks. So.
All right, Natalie, we are here in the red room. It's the
Yes.
last and final service we haven't touched on yet. Talk about it.
Yes, so this is our newest modality. It is an LED light bed. So what it does is it combines infrared technology, not heat, but infrared wavelengths to penetrate your skin tissue and muscle tissue. And essentially what's happening is it's triggering an energetic response in the body. So this light combined with the infrared wavelengths, it activates ATP production within your cells. So it's for mitochondrial health. And what that does, it increases healthy cell turnover rate, circulation throughout the body. It's really helpful with joint pain, and the most benefits, that's why most people do it, is for amazing skin health. You get a beautiful radiant glow, helps with anti-aging, any fine lines, wrinkles, scar tissue. If you're recovering from an injury or healing, it's great for that as well. And it's only a quick 10-minute treatment, so it's not too long. You can do it every day and have a really healthy glow all throughout summer. So the red and the Restore is one of the most comprehensive colors. It's getting deep into your joint tissue and muscle tissue. We also have a unique green setting that not many places have. And this green light is relaxing your parasympathetic nervous system and your nervous system behind your eyes. So if you're prone to migraines, headaches, chronic fatigue, this is one of the best things you can do. You know, if you're on your computer all day, this is going to help with your eye health. And then lastly, we have the cleanse setting. So this is red and blue light combined. So this one is specifically designed for antibacterial skin health. So if you're prone to acne, have bacterial caused acne, this is one of the best things you can do. And what's unique about the beds is that it's a whole body treatment. So you're getting all of your front side, all of your back side, and your entire skin surface with this light exposure.
Pause Studios here at the Point in El Segundo offers a variety of services that allows you to pause and enjoy life. For Business Matters, I'm Tolly Anderson.